So for inter first years, till now we have discussed straight lines 17 questions in total 4 videos, but many of them have not submitted yet. Anyhow, I am leaving that problem. What you have to do is you have to practice these 3 questions and you have to again submit to me. In these 3 questions, we are using foot of perpendicular formula h minus x1 by a, and proof is there for this one. From where we are getting this formula and all. For 2 marks, just we have to use this formula. Whenever you find foot of perpendicular, you should tell me h minus x1 by a equals to k minus y1 by b equals to minus of ax1 plus by1 plus c by a square plus b square. And if I ask you equation of a line making equal angles, that time you should tell me case 1 m is equals to 1 and case 2 m is equals to minus 1. These 2 formulas you have to learn. After this 20, we are again going to start long answers. Out of this 20, you will get 2 very short questions for 2 marks each. So if you are good in these 20 questions, you are able to score 4 marks in final exams. Now we are starting this. Find the equation of straight line passing through 1, 2 and having x intercept 3. When intercept is mentioned to you, passing through is given. What we have to write? Let equation of 18th one. Equation of line x by a plus y by b is equals to 1. Why this one? In video 4 I told you, whenever intersect word and passing through word is given, we use this one. It passes through. It passes through 1, 2. So we have to substitute that in place of x and y. So this becomes a into b plus 2a is equals to 1, b plus 2a is equals to ab, equation 1. Then what we have given? X intercept is 3. X intercept is 3. X intercept means a value is 3 given to us. So what we have to do, once we have equation second, we have to substitute in 1. B plus 2 into a is equals to a into b. So this is b plus 6 equals to 3b. 3b is equals to b plus 6. 3b minus b is equals to 6. 2b is equals to 6. b is equals to 3. Therefore, we have a value as well as b value. How to get this one? Find equation of line. We have to take x by plus y by b equal to 1. Why this equation? Because of intercept and passing through point, we have used that one. Then once we are passing through, substituting place of x and y, then simplify equation 1 you get. Then read out the question. Having x intercept 3. So x intercept means a value is 3. So substituting second in 1, you will get equation b value. Now we can write equation of line. X by a plus y by b is equals to 1. X by 3 plus y by 3 is equals to 1. Those who are good at simplification, they can simplify. Nineteenth one. If 2x minus 3y is equals to 0 is a perpendicular bisector of a line segment joining. Means what? One line segment is there. One perpendicular bisector of line segment joining. So first you need to know what is perpendicular bisector. See, if 2 points are given to us, line joining points, what are those line joining points? 3, minus 4 and alpha, beta. These are line joining points. That means this is the line, straight line. These 2 points represents this straight line. This is suppose P, this is suppose Q. Now what they have given, if 2x minus 3y is equal to this perpendicular bisector. The meaning of bisector means Suppose if any line is given to you, bisector means from center if you take one line, that is known to be a bisector. Bisector means which line which divides a line into two parts. One line, suppose this is a line. Bisector means at midpoint if I take one line which is perpendicular, that is known to be perpendicular bisector. Bisecting, making line in two parts. Here also same thing, one bisector is there. What they have given? This is perpendicular bisector of line segment joining. These are the joining points. One bisector, one line. This is a line given to us. What is that line name? 2x minus 3y minus 5 equal to 0. This is perpendicular bisector. So we need to find alpha plus beta. If you find such a case, what you have to do is, whenever any bisector is given to you and a line is given and 2 points are given, this is image problem. Image means P value is there. If here a point is there, means foot of perpendicular. If same thing, if the distance between P to M and M to Q is equal, then P and Q are image of each other. So P image of P is Q. So that formula for image is h minus x1. So what we will do, since this is image, so h minus x1 by a equals to k minus y1 by b is equals to minus 2 into ax1 plus b by 1 plus c by a square plus b square. How we get this formula? That is a theorem which we are going to do when we will do long answers. So at that time you will get to know why we are using this formula. Now we are presenting what you have to do. Whenever a line joining point and a bisector is given to you, that time we have to use image formula. This is h comma k. This is x1 y1. A, B, C are coefficients and whatever values are given for a line ax plus by plus c. Compare the line with ax plus by plus c. Alpha comma beta is h comma k and x1 y1. So substitute here in this one, h minus x1. Alpha minus 3 by a 2. K minus y1, k is beta, minus y1, minus of minus 4 is plus 4, by b with the sign. B is 3 or minus 3, it is minus 3. Minus 2 into ax1 plus by1 plus c, plus of minus is minus, divided by a square plus b square. So this is alpha minus 3 by 2. Beta plus 4 by minus 3, minus 2 into 6 plus 12, minus 5 divided by 4 plus 9. This is alpha minus 3 by 2 is equals to this value. 12 plus 6, 18. 18 minus 5, 13 by 13. Minus 2 into 13 by 13 and beta plus 4 by minus 3 equals to same thing. Minus 2 into this calculation is 13 by 13. 13, 13 cancelled. Alpha minus 3 is minus 4 and beta plus 4 is minus into minus plus 6. So when we are finding alpha, we have to take alpha equals to left side and minus 3 goes to right side, plus 3. And beta is equals to 6 minus 4. So alpha is minus 1 and beta is 2. What they ask us to find? Alpha beta, alpha plus beta value? Alpha plus beta. Once we have alpha beta value, we can write therefore alpha plus beta is equals to minus 1 plus 2, which is 1. So in this way, how we can remember this one? Whenever perpendicular bisector of a line segment is given to you, when joining points are there, you should remember this figure as well as image formula. So once you have done this one, x1 y1 is the point and the image value is h comma k. Wherever h comma k, substitute alpha beta. Wherever the point is there, x1 y1 value, you have to substitute over there. Next one is find equations. If you find this one, plural form is given, equation is single line, equations means two line, passing through origin is mentioned to us. So what we'll do, find equation of line passing through origin. Zero comma 0. So the line passing through origin, two lines are there. This is one line, this is one line. Any other line possible? Not possible. It is possible from the same point, many lines that we can pass, but two lines are there. What they have, why we are taking two lines? Because equal angles they are making with coordinate axis. These angles are equal. So only two lines are possible in such case. So to find these two lines which are passing through origin making equal angles, if these words are there, equation of a line making equal angles, if such words are there, we should take two cases. Case 1, m value is 1 and 0 comma 0 point x1 y1. Slope and point form equation of line. Equation of line means y minus y1 equals to m into x minus x1. So y minus y1 value is 0, m into x minus x1 value is 0. Y is equals to x or x is equals to y, x minus y equal to 0. This is the case. Now case 2, m is equals to minus 1 and point is there, 0 comma 0 x1 y1. Equation of line, y minus y1 is equals to m into x minus x1. Y minus y1, m into x minus x1. Y equal to minus x comes this side, becomes plus x plus y equal to 0. So how to remember this one? To find equation of a line making equal angles is given. So you have to remember two cases. When perpendicular bisector of a line segment is given, that time you should remember image formula. Image theorem is there, that we'll discuss in the very next class. So you need to practice all the 20 questions. Maybe next week I'll consider one test to be online test. I'll come on Zoom class and I'll conduct one test. I'm planning for that one. So better to be perfect in these 20 questions. The next test will be in straight lines 1 to 20 questions.